Okay, you see the TV pad, the lights red is no power, not turn on the power. Now I use the remote control, push the power. You see the light? See? No, try again. No, everything you put, no, see? Okay. Not turn on, right? I just use the hand, try the power, it's okay. The TV pad is okay, just the remote control not working. Okay, now I use the remote control. Try again. Okay, you see very close, very close the TV pad, just maybe 2 inch close. Okay, I try. I want use the power. I want turn off. Okay, try. You see? Oh, not off. Go to here. The KODI, the app. Okay, I try again. You see? Try again. Try again. Okay. The light's blue, but the TV same thing. Try again. You see the blue light, right? Have the signal, but maybe the long signal. I don't know. I try again. See? See? Okay. I use this go back. This go back. I show you this go back. Go back. I try again. Okay. You see the TV? Try again. No more. I show you so many times this not working the remote control. Okay.